Is cable railing expensive? Today I'll be answering that question to help you know whether or not it's right for your project. I'm Chris from Cable Bullet, and I'll be your cable railing expert for today. The cost of a cable railing project will depend on a few factors: the size of your project, whether or not you'll be using existing posts or do a complete railing replacement, and if you'll be building the railing yourself or hiring it out. Larger projects take more materials, which can drive up the costs. We often measure costs in terms of linear feet. An enclosed 15-foot by 20-foot deck would be around 550 feet of materials, while a smaller 8-foot by 10-foot deck would only require about 286 linear feet of materials. Now, this can be a pretty big swing. And additionally, the more points where your cable returns or terminates, so the design of your deck, the more that will add to your costs. Upgrading existing posts will be cheaper than replacing everything with a new system. All that's required is taking down your existing railing and then drilling holes in your posts for cable railing. Doing it yourself is cheaper up front, but can require a bit of know-how to avoid costly mistakes and extra time spent on your project. To get some specific numbers, let's look at what it would cost to add cable railing to a 15-foot by 20-foot deck that has a 4-foot stairway using some of the most popular styles of cable railing we have at Cable Bullet. Our layout is divided into 3 different elements: tensioning posts, which are any posts where our cables will terminate; line posts, which are posts where cables will pass through but will still act as structural handrail support; and finally, spacer bars, which are non-structural cable support bars that help keep our railing within code guidelines. If we were to upgrade the existing posts with wood tensioner kits and pass-through fittings, here's what our layout would look like. Our layout will have 8 total tensioning posts, 4 end posts at these locations, as well as 4 corner posts in these spots. This deck will need a total of 3 line posts, 1 on the 15-foot span and 2 on the 20-foot run. Lastly, we'll have a total of 7 spacer bars. These are needed on any spans longer than 4 feet to manage cable deflection. Now, if we were to upgrade the existing posts with standard wood tensioners and pass-through fittings, our project cost would be approximately $3,000. This cost does not include any handrail. If we were to completely replace our old wood system, sounds like I'm going through puberty. If we were to completely replace our old wood posts and railing for a full system, which includes aluminum posts and handrail, our project would be about $6,000. Finally, if we instead wanted a full stainless steel system installed, the cost for that would be around $10,000. Hopefully, this gives you a good idea of what cable railing might cost for your project. Be sure to leave any questions in the comments below. Start your free estimate today at cablebullet.com, especially if you want accurate numbers.